hit the room, me and my crew, and it was cool until we bumped into you. Now it's been years, but there you were, like a Mustang, redlining every single gear with a man that dance like he was born in 49, but lost his groove back in ancient times. I wanna know what those replacement hips. Is that a Swatch watch? Do you know what time it is? Does he run?